Welcome. In this video, we will practice reading simple sentences. We will use three-letter words like bed, hen, bed. All the words feature the vowel E in the middle. Let's build your reading skills step by step. Let's get started. The bell fell into the well. Again, the bell fell into the well. Now your turn. Ben has a red hen. Again, Ben has a red hen. Now your turn. Ben fed the red hen. Again, Ben fed the red hen. Now your turn. The red hen has an egg. Again, the red hen has an egg. Now your turn. Let the man sell the egg. Again, let the man sell the egg. Now your turn. The man is in the bed. Again, the man is in the bed. Now your turn. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.